Hi everyone, today we are looking at this capture card from BlueAVS. I have to be honest, when I first saw the box highlighting 1080p, 240Hz, and my OBS was refusing to show me anything higher than 1080p, I was convinced that the brand has sent me the wrong unit. I was ready to pack it back up. But let's look at the hardware. First of all, the brand is generous. It comes with both an HDMI cable and a USB-C cable in the box, so you are ready to go. The device itself is surprisingly heavy, giving it a very robust and premium feel. It even has rubber feet on the bottom, so it stays firmly on your desk and doesn't slide around with the weight of the cables. And the lights. It has a great visual feedback system. Standby solid blue glow. Capturing full RGB color cycle, it looks amazing and lets you know exactly when you're recording. It's not just a capture dongle. It's a mini station. You get a 4K pass-through to play on a second monitor with zero lag, plus dedicated 3.5mm jacks for a microphone and headphones. You can monitor everything and add commentary directly through the hardware. Now that everything is connected to my Mac Mini, let's start the actual testing. We are using an Android TV box capable of 4K output to see how this card handles a real-world high-resolution signal. Let's see what it can do. The big secret? OBS locks the UI to your monitor resolution. Since I'm on a 1080p, the 4K options were hidden. To unlock the full power, go to Settings, Video, and manually type 3840x2160 into the canvas and output. And just like that, the card starts delivering real 4K 60 frames per second. The hardware is capable. The software was just being shy. One critical step for console players: if you see a black screen on your PS5, go to Console, Settings, System, HDMI and disable HDCP. Without this, copy protection will block the signal. A crucial part of any capture card is the latency. Right now, you can see the direct output from the TV box on this monitor, and over here on the computer we have the captured feed. Take a look at the sync between them. As you can see, the lag is practically non-existent. It's performing incredibly well. Using my Mac Mini M4, I select the Apple VT HEVC hardware encoder in the advanced settings. This keeps the 4K footage incredibly sharp and professional without stressing the CPU. Don't let the modest box fool you. With a solid build, rubber feet, included cables and this manual resolution trick, this is a pro level tool. It's real 4K 60 capture at a budget price. This is a hidden gem for any content creator. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the BlueAVS capture card. I'm going to leave you now with some sample footage we recorded during these tests. First, the 4K capture from the TV box, followed by some Wii U gameplay. Even though the Wii U output is 1080p, I have upscaled that footage to 4K in editing so you can see the quality. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.